Have you ever clicked on a video with stunning visuals only to be turned off by bad audio? Poor sound quality, like background noise or unclear speech, can ruin the entire experience, no matter how good the video looks. Because audio plays a critical role in how viewers engage with content. Audio issues such as background noise, inconsistent volume, or lack of clarity act like a scratch on a beautiful painting. They pull the audience out of the experience, making the visuals much less impactful. A good audio isn't just an add-on, it's the backbone of any great video. It grabs your audience's attention, sets the mood, and ensures your message is crystal clear. While viewers might forgive less than perfect visuals, but a bad audio is an instant turn-on. It's what transforms your content from just okay to truly professional. So, if you'd like to improve your videos, I can offer tips on enhancing the audio quality for your next videos. I'll show you how to enhance your audio, reduce background noise, and make your content sound as professional as it looks. And here's the best part. You don't need a soundproof room, thick padding on the walls, a high-quality microphone, or expensive headsets. All you need is your smartphone with its built-in mic. Yes, it's that simple. So let's dive in and give your videos the sound they deserve. Well, to get a professional audio, we'll start with the recording. I'll show you how to record professional quality audio using just your smartphone. Step 1. Start with the right environment. Your environment sets the foundation for clear audio. Background noise can creep into your recording, no matter how good your equipment is. The first thing you need is a quiet place to record. Stay away from noisy areas like streets, rooms with open windows, or places where machines like fans or air conditioners are running. A small room is better because big rooms can make your voice echo. Look for a room with things like curtains, carpets, or cushions. These help absorb sound and make your voice clearer. Close all doors and windows to block outside noise, and turn off anything that makes a sound, like a fridge or a ticking clock. If your room still feels too empty or loud, you can hang blankets on the walls or put down a rug to make it quieter. Once your environment is ready, do a quick test recording. Play it back to listen for any unexpected noises. This can save you from discovering issues only after you've recorded everything. Step 2. Pop filter or foam cover. To make your audio sound clean and professional, use a pop filter or foam cover on your microphone. A pop filter is a thin screen placed between your mouth and the mic to block harsh sounds like P and B, which can create sudden bursts of air that ruin your recording. Foam covers are especially useful for outdoor recording because they reduce wind noise and other ambient sounds. Both tools help your voice sound smoother and more natural. If you don't have a pop filter or foam cover, a cotton towel can be a great substitute to reduce unwanted noise. This will help block harsh sounds like P and B and soften your breathing noises, just like a pop filter would. Additionally, you can wrap the towel around the microphone loosely to act as a windscreen, especially if you're recording outdoors. Be careful not to cover the mic completely or too tightly, as this might muffle your voice. With a little adjustment, a microfiber towel can be an effective and simple solution for clearer audio. Now, let's move to the last one. Step 3. Master the technique. Getting great audio isn't just about the environment or equipment, it's also about how you record. Always keep the microphone 6 to 12 inches away from your mouth. This distance ensures your voice is clear without distortion or picking up too much background noise. Position the mic slightly off to the side or at an angle instead of directly in front of your mouth to avoid breathing noise. Speak clearly and maintain a steady volume throughout the recording, as sudden changes can make editing difficult. If you make a mistake or hear a distracting noise, pause and re-record that section instead of trying to fix it later. Recording in short segments instead of one long take also makes it easier to manage errors and ensures consistent audio quality. With these 3 simple steps, you can record high-quality audio like a pro using your mobile phone. And still, if you're looking to take your audio quality to the next level, consider investing in external equipment such as microphones or foam covers for your mobile device. For those on a low budget, I recommend the Boya M1 microphone. It is an affordable product, yet effective tool that helps produce professional quality audio. And as for foam covers, I prefer these. They are a great addition to minimize background noise. If you don't want to invest in foam covers, a simple fabric towel is enough. It can also serve as a cost-effective alternative for noise reduction, so do as you wish. And if you're interested in purchasing the equipments mentioned, I have included the product links in the description box for your convenience. So, feel free to check them out. Despite carefully recording audio on your smartphone, background noise can still occasionally interfere with the quality of your recordings. To solve this issue, we use third-party applications. Personally, I rely on 2 specific applications for this purpose. The first one I use for editing is Lexus Audio Editor. Lexus Audio Editor is a highly versatile and user-friendly audio editing application designed to cater to the needs of both beginners and professionals. It serves as a powerful tool for recording, editing, and enhancing audio, making it an excellent choice for content creators, podcasters, musicians, and educators. The app features its ability to record audio directly within the app, ensuring seamless integration with the editing process. It supports a wide range of file formats, including WAV, MP3, M4A, and more, making it compatible with most devices and other software. The app is also equipped with a comprehensive set of editing tools, including options to cut, copy, paste, and delete segments of audio. Its advanced effects, such as noise reduction, equalizer, compression, and reverb, empower users to fine-tune their audio for professional-grade quality. Additionally, features like pitch and tempo adjustment, fade-in/out effects, and normalization offer creative and technical flexibility to meet the demands of any project. What sets Lexus Audio Editor apart is its lightweight design, ensuring smooth performance even on mobile devices, and its availability on both Android and Windows platforms. This accessibility makes it an ideal solution for on-the-go editing as well as desktop projects. Whether you're editing a podcast, enhancing a voiceover, or fine-tuning a music track, Lexus Audio Editor provides the tools and versatility you need to produce high-quality audio. But wait, while this app excels at editing, it falls short when it comes to background noise reduction, as it tends to slightly reduce the clarity of our vocal audio along with the noise. To solve this issue, we use Adobe Podcast AI, which delivers superior results for noise reduction without compromising vocal quality. It is a specialized tool especially designed to effectively reduce background noise while preserving vocal quality. Now let's explore how to use this AI tool for free. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your mobile device and search for Adobe Podcast AI. Click on the first link that appears in the search results. Once the website opens, you'll see the home page, but you can ignore most of the sections and go directly to the enhanced speech feature. To use this tool for free, signing up is mandatory. Click on the sign up button and you can register using different account options. I recommend signing up with Google as it's quick and straightforward. Simply click the Google option and select your Google account. After successfully signing up, you can start uploading your files. Click on the Choose Files option and select the audio file you want to enhance. For demonstration purposes, I have an audio file that needs enhancement, so I'll upload it. Once the file is uploaded, the AI will begin analyzing and processing it. This step typically takes a few seconds. Once it's complete, you can compare the original audio with the enhanced version to experience the improvement in clarity and quality. Now let's see the difference between the normal file and the original file. Hello, this is omNIman, dedicated to helping you enhance your technical knowledge with a professional approach. If you find my content valuable, please consider subscribing to the channel. Hello, this is omNIman, dedicated to helping you enhance your technical knowledge with a professional approach. If you find my content valuable, please consider subscribing to the channel. As you can see, the difference between the two is truly significant. By following a few simple steps I've outlined, you can transform the quality of your videos by enhancing your audio, making them more engaging and professional. And it brings me so much joy to share my little knowledge with you, and I hope you found this video helpful in your creative journey. Thank you for spending your time with me today. It means the world to me. I'm excited to bring you even more tips and insights in the next video, which will be coming your way very soon. Until then, take care of yourself, keep creating, and goodbye for now.